Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. As you all know that yes, we have got the success of the UGC NET 2020 and I have uploaded the success story also, that our 15 toppers, and not only 15, it is more topper story is there. So yes, 2020 is now going to end. Now we have to start for the preparation 2021. If you have not if you are not able to crack this time, then don't worry, next time definitely you will crack it. And for that you have to start your preparation from today only, from now only. So now let's see the preparation strategy, how you can do the, how you can avail the free classes, how you can avail the free courses, because last time so many students, by using my only free classes only, they have cracked the exam, right? And here so many classes, free classes are available already for the computer science and for the UGC NET paper 1 also. You can see in the home page so many playlist is already there. If you are from computer science background, then definitely try to finish all the recording here, all the recording, all the class recording for paper 1 and paper 2. And definitely I am trying to manage the time, because I am very sorry, because now for another engagement I am not able to coming live every day and I am not able to take the class every day here, but I am trying my level best to fix a proper time for the Unify Study channel. Okay, and definitely try to watch the success story and the other videos whatever available. Actually whatever videos till now available, that is only the 70% syllabus is done here. So to come live, all of are waiting for live, right? So to see me live session, your doubt clearing session or anything, you can go for Unacademy. This is my profile in Unacademy, and here every day 7 PM class is going on, free class. Every day free class 7 PM is going on. You can avail the free class. And definitely in the motivation booster, there is a class motivation booster at 7 PM. Don't forget to watch that class. That is the motivation booster class. You can see just Sunday, this is coming Sunday 7 PM. It's totally free for you, and every day I am taking class for paper 1 and paper 2. I have already started, and just today was there the preparation strategy. So you can see the class of preparation strategy. The recording will be also available. Recording is also available. These are all free for you. Just what you have to do to unlock the free plan. How you can unlock the free plan? To unlock the free plan, you can use my referral code Priyanka CS. Just you have to install the app, that is the Unacademy app. You go to the Play Store and you can install the Unacademy app, learning app from the Play Store, and you can install it, and you have to register for the UGC NET category. You have to register for UGC NET category. It's totally free for you. UGC NTA, UGC NET. Don't be confused with the CSRI. CSRI is different. It is not ours. NTA UGC NET is for you. Just register yourself and use my referral code Priyanka CS to unlock your free plan. So because to unlock the free plan, you need a code. This is my code. Using my code you can unlock that, and every day 7 PM you can avail my free live classes here in Unacademy. And there will be doubt clearing session, there will be practice, there will be quizzes, mock test, everything is there. Okay, so don't forget that, and try to watch everyday classes, try to be regular in Unacademy also, and try to complete the free videos whatever available in my channel. This is already available in my channel, and this is my website unifystudy.com. Here also paper 1 I am uploading the paper 1. That is very good news for all of you. All the set of paper 1 will be available here. Already PYQS paper 1 for the December 2019 is already available here, all the paper. Okay, and all the subject wise paper is already available, and I am uploading the paper for the UGC NET paper 1 also. UGC NET paper 1 also I am uploading the paper. Just give me some time, I will upload all the paper. I have collected all the paper, we will practice all the paper. So why you are wasting your time? Because although I am not coming live here, I am not able to take live classes here, but the live classes is going on and I am taking the live class in Unacademy. So you can join the Unacademy free classes, and here also try to follow me. Definitely try to follow me in Unify Study channel. Definitely I will take the class. I am trying to take the class as Saturday, Sunday live classes, and my students is also uploading the videos, and I will also upload the videos also. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get the latest notification and update. And don't forget to watch the previous classes. These previous classes are very much helpful for all the students, those who have already cracked the exam. You can see the video and you can see their comments, and you can understand what actually happened. So easily, in free of cost, you can crack UGC NET JRF next time. Just you have to utilize the free classes. Try to utilize the free classes as much as possible, then definitely you can crack it. And don't be demotivated. If you are feeling demotivated, then try to watch the video, try to watch the class at 6 p.m. That is the 6 p.m. class is there. I already shown you. That is the motivation booster class, 7 p.m. not 6 p.m. 6 December 7 p.m. that is the Sunday, and must enroll the class and try to join the class and use my referral code to unlock the free plan. Okay, that was all about the free things what is available for you for the UGC NET next time. Definitely you will crack NET JRF next time with the free live classes, free courses given by me. Okay, try to watch that and try to get the benefit of free live classes and the recording. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next live class. Bye bye.